Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic College, Sirsilla. Our subject Engineering Chemistry and Environmental Studies. Engineering Chemistry and Environmental Studies, common to all branches. Subject code C204. 204. Today our topic water pollution effects and control methods. Water pollution effects and control methods. This topic discussed in this period. Today our objectives in this hour. On the completion of this period, you would be able to know about water pollution. Second one, effects of the water pollution. Third one, control methods of water pollution. Water pollution, effects of the water pollution, control methods of water pollution. Control methods of water pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as a presence of solid, liquid, or gaseous contaminant in such concentration that may alter the quality of water. The unwanted substance presence in water, which is directly or indirectly affected living and non-living things, are called water pollution. Water pollutant by unwanted component mixed into water body, it causes water pollution. The presence of unwanted substance in water body which affect physical, chemical, biological properties of water and thereby decreasing uses of water in domestic purpose and industrial is called water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as a presence of solid particles or liquid particles or gaseous contaminant in such concentration that may alter the quality of water. The pollution is defined as the addition to water of an excess material or heat that is harmful to living organism or which impair the beneficial uses of water. Water added unwanted substance by the active human beings or natural causes. These unwanted components affect living and non-living things is called water pollution. Water pollution is defined as the addition to water of excess material or heat that is harmful to living organisms or which impairs to benefit users of water. Effects of water pollution. Water pollution affected toxic water. It affects toxic component mixed into water body. Thermal heating. Our sources of water. Toxic material mixed into water body, it causes diseases, living and non-living things. Heating of water, aquatic animals' life should be struggled by thermal heating of water. Thermal heating, toxic compounds are mixed into water body. Effects on humans. Diseases caused by water pollution. Drinking contaminated water, swimming in polluted water, contact with chemically polluted water. Diseases causing by water pollution. Pollution of natural water by sewage and industrial wastage is objectionable and damaging for many reasons. Polluted water due to the presence of diseases causing bacteria from domestic sewage results in the spreading of several water-borne diseases like typhoid, fever, cholera, bacterial diseases, amoebiasis, skin diseases, and some viral infection like conjunctivitis, etc. The toxic materials like acids, alkalis, especially poisonous like cyanides, heavy materials like zinc, lead, aluminum, and salts, sodium carbonate, bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, and materials from industrial wastage passes to water body. It causes to effect to health. The metals considered to be toxic includes lead, mercury, copper, arsenic, cadmium, barium, zinc, selenium, chromium, and cobalt, etc. The toxic material affected some heavy metal of water polluted have been tabulated that given below. The effect of living things by water pollution. The mercury causes mercury metal causes minimata, chest pain, stomach pain, headache. Chest pain, stomach pain, headache. Lead causes anemia, vomiting, etc. Arsenic causes lung cancer, liver damage. Cadmium causes bone deformation, cadmium, bone deformation, kidney damage, anemia, etc. Copper causes coma, fever, hypertension, etc. Barium causes excessive vomitings, paralysis, etc. Zinc causes vomiting, renal damage, etc. Liver affected by selenium, chromium causes by nervous system, cobalt, lung irritation, paralysis, etc. Damage to public health from polluted water comes not only from direct use of water but also from corrosion. Food, for example, by eating fish which have lived in polluted water. Many poisonous substances are absorbed in concentrated from by fish, and eating such fish is more dangerous than drinking the polluted water. The fishes affected by polluted water. Many poisonous substances are absorbed in concentrated from by fish, and eating such fish is more damage or more dangerous than drinking the polluted water. Effects of water pollution. Groundwater contamination from pesticides causes reproductive damage within wildlife in ecosystem. Sewage, fertilizers and agriculture runoff contain organic material that when discharged into water increases the growth of algae, which causes the depletion of oxygen. The low oxygen level are not able to support most indigenous organism in the area and therefore upset the natural ecological balance in rivers and lakes. Human product litters of items such as plastic bags and six-pack rings can be get aquatic animal catching and killed from suffocation. When pollutant causes flooding due to the accumulation of solid waste and soil erosion in streams and rivers. Oil spills in water causes animal to die when they ingest it or encounter it. Oil does not dissolve in water, so causes suffocation in fish and birds. These are affected water pollution. Affected of aquatic life, several plants and animals are affected by polluted water. Polluted water causes damage to the property mainly by corrosion. Polluted water disturb the aquatic lives. It is also disturb the equilibrium in the ecosystem. Polluted water affected by aquatic animals and causes effects of water pollution. Rivers are changed into disturbs. Rivers are changed into disturbs. Rivers, water polluted by the contaminated, the river water changes by color and also smell, odors. These all are properties changes by pollution. Effects of water pollution, shortage of drinking water. Water pollution, then shortage of drinking water. Effects of water pollution, increases in BOD, biological oxygen demand. Increasing of BOD. What is BOD? Biological oxygen demand. The amount of oxygen required for the biochemical oxidation of organic matter by microorganisms like bacteria at 20 degrees centigrade for 5 days is called BOD. The biological oxygen demand is defined as the measure of dissolved oxygen required to decompose the organic matter in water biological system. The dissolved oxygen presence in pure water has less than 1 ppm. Polluted water it wanted more than 5 ppm of water. These effects of water pollution also affected agriculture purpose. Polluted water decreases the soil fertility by killing bacteria in the soil and also change the pH value. As a result, agriculture yield is decreased. Agriculture purpose also affected water pollution. Polluted water decreases the soil fertility by killing bacteria in the soil and also changes pH value. As a result, agriculture yield is decreased. These are affected of water pollution. Control methods of water pollution. Control methods of water pollution. Stabilization of ecosystem using water hygienic to remove water pollution using chemical methods. Those are ion exchange process, reverse osmosis process, precipitation process, coagulation process, cooling method, recycling, renovation, rechange, and reuse of water. Stabilization of ecosystem. Stabilization of ecosystem. In ecosystem, reduction of water at sources, burning of organic waste, fish management, proper use of water. Proper use of water. Sewage treatment. Sewage treatment. Pipes take water to treatment center, screening stage, primary treatment stage, secondary treatment stage, final treatment stage, filtered into river. Sewage treatment. There should be proper drainage facility in urban and semi-urban area, and people should be educated to use drainage in order to lessen the water pollution. There should be cooperation from industrials as well as they should be not be allowed to releases the effluent into municipal drainage as that may put under strain on the drainage system. Proper drainage system prevent mixing of polluted water with drinking water and decreases several diseases. This sewage treatment plant is very useful to impure water to pure water changed by sewage treatment plant. Ion exchange method. In ion exchange treatment, all nitrates and soluble and are thus more difficult to remove. Resins or zeolites can be used to exchange the nitrate ions in polluted water with hydroxide ions. Positive ions can also be exchanged with H plus ions. The result OH minus ions and H plus ions will then combine to form pure water. The hardness causes ions of Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2 cations and anions of Cl minus SO4 minus 2. These total ions removed from water body process is called ion exchange process or demineralized water or sterilized water. In this process used as a chemical compound named by resin. These resins are two types. One is acidic resin, second one is basic resin. These acidic resin are COOH, basic resin are OH. Two different containers arranged, one container acidic resin arrangement, in second container basic resin arrangement. When hot water passed through the acidic resin remove cations of Ca plus 2 and Mg plus 2 ions exchange with H plus ions into water. This water passed to first container to second container. In this second container we have arranged basic resin of ROH. These basic resin exchange of anions of Cl minus and SO4 minus 2 with OH minus ions into water. At final, the cation exchange resin gives H plus ions and anion exchange resin gives OH minus ions. These both opposite ions react together to form a pure water of H2O. This process is called ion exchange method. This is ion exchange process. This is also one of the best technique purification of water. Reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis. This is also one of the important technique, removal of impurities from water. One is ion exchange method, reverse osmosis process. What is reverse osmosis? The process of forcing of a solvent from more concentrated solution to less concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane by applying pressure more than osmotic pressure is called reverse osmosis. More than osmotic pressure is called reverse osmosis. The process of forcing of a solvent from more concentrated solution to less concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane by applying a pressure more than osmotic pressure is called reverse osmosis. What is osmotic pressure? The external pressure applied on high concentrated solution side just to stop osmosis is called osmotic pressure. What is osmosis? The process of diffusion of solvent molecule from less concentrated solution to more concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. In reverse osmosis process, the process of forcing of solvent molecule. The process of forcing of a solvent from more concentrated solution to less concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane by applying more pressure. Which pressure? Osmotic pressure. We said high concentrated solution side is called reverse osmosis. By applying more pressure. Which pressure? Osmotic pressure on high concentrated solution side. Then solvent molecule move from more concentrated solution to less concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane is called reverse osmosis. In this reverse osmosis process, in left side more concentrated solution, that is salt solution. In right hand side pure water or fresh water. These salt water and fresh water separated by using a chemical compound semi-permeable membrane. The semi-permeable membrane is a resin. A long chain organic polymer is called a resin. That resin used as a moving only solvent molecule through it is called semi-permeable membrane. A membrane which allows the solvent molecule through it is called semi-permeable membrane. Like egg membrane, cell membrane, parchment paper, copper ferrocyanide, these anyone used as a semi-permeable membrane. This membrane allow only solvent molecule through it is called semi-permeable membrane. The salt water and fresh water separated semi-permeable membrane by applied force on salt water side, then solvent molecule move from salt water to fresh water, then we get fresh water by this process. The solvent molecule move from solvent or salt water side to fresh water side. The salt water completely form fresh water by applying pressure on salt water side. This Reverse osmosis used in purification of water, which is used for drinking and domestic purpose. Reverse osmosis used in purification of rainwater in industry. Reverse osmosis is used in purification of rainwater in industries. It is used in desalination process. This reverse osmosis is also used in desalination process. The process of preparation of drinking water from seawater by reverse osmosis is called desalination process. It is used in some countries like Saudi Arabia for preparation of drinking water. It is used in desalination process. What is desalination? The process of preparation of drinking water from seawater by reverse osmosis is called desalination. It is used in some countries. Reverse osmosis is used in food industry like fruit juice for production of protein and also used in wine industry. This process also used in dialysis process. It is also used in car washing aquatic purpose. This process mainly used in desalination process. The process preparation of drinking water from seawater by reverse osmosis is called desalination process. Then after control over unhygienic practices. These unhygienic practices also control the water pollution. These unhygienic practices also control unhygienic practices like washing of clothes, washing of animals should be avoided from water treatment. These unhygienic practices, people should be educated regarding the dangers of water pollution. Municipal authorities should not allow people to wash clothes or bath in lake or open pond. The bathing of animals in lake and open ponds should be strictly prohibited. Control treatment of industrial effluent. Industrial effluent must be treated before released into water bodies by using common effluent treatment plant. Common effluent treatment plant. Uses of modern techniques like reverse osmosis, adsorption, ion exchange method, electrolysis process are used to remove polluted from water. Stabilization of ecosystem. Stabilization of ecosystem can be achieved by decreasing pollutants from water bodies. Plants like water and absorb some organic pollutants from polluted water and decreases pollution level. Some of the plants also decreases pollutants from water like plant name Chloronella. These are control methods of water. About this topic, some multiple choice questions. First one, which of the following technique is used for reducing the total dissolved solid in the water? Which of the following techniques is used for reducing the total dissolved solid in the water? Options: A. Osmosis, B. Ion exchange method, C. Distillation, D. Both B and C. Which of the following technique is used for reducing total dissolved solids as cations and anions in the water body? Osmosis, ion exchange process, distillation process. In these three options, the total cations of Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2, anions of chlorides and sulfates, total removed from water body by the process of ion exchange process and distillation process. Answer: both B and C. The total dissolved solids TDS from water body process, ion exchange process, distillation process. Second one, the main sources of arsenic in water are the main sources of arsenic in water are floods, fertilizers, industrial wastage, D. Both B and C. The main sources of arsenics enter into water body. Which of the causes? First one is floods, B. fertilizers, C. industrial wastage, D. both B and C. Arsenic enter from water bodies. Answers are fertilizers and industrial wastage. So answer both B and C. Answer B and C. The main sources of arsenic in the water are called are enter into, those are fertilizers and industrial wastage. Answer D, both B and C. Next one, which of the following is not a waterborne diseases? Which of the following not a waterborne diseases? Options: A. measles, B. typhoid, C. cholera, D. hepatitis. Which of the following is not comes from polluted water? Disease options: measles, typhoid, cholera, hepatitis. Typhoid, cholera, hepatitis comes from polluted water. Typhoid, cholera, hepatitis comes from polluted water. Measles does not attack from polluted water. So answer measles. A. Which of the following is not a waterborne diseases? Answer A. measles. Remaining three comes from polluted water, those are typhoid, cholera, hepatitis. Typhoid, cholera, hepatitis. Next question. Which of the following statement is true about the composition of calcium carbonate in soft water? Which of the following statement is true about the composition of calcium carbonate in soft water? The soft water dissolve some salts like calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride. These salts are present in water. The amount of salts present in water that cannot affect living things. Options 0 to 30 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter, 30 to 60 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter, 60 to 90 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter, 90 to 120 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter. Which of the following statement is true about the composition of CaCO3 in soft water? Options A 0 to 30 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter. Option B 30 to 60 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter. Option C 60 to 90 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter. Option D 90 to 120 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter. In these four options, the composition of CaCO3 in soft water, answer B. 30 to 60 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter. 30 to 60 milligrams of CaCO3 per liter. Frequently asked question about this topic. What is water pollution? What is water pollution? The unwanted substances present in water body which is affected living and non-living things is called water pollution. The unwanted substance in water body which is affected physically, chemically and biological properties of water and thereby decreasing uses of water in domestic purpose and in industrial is called water pollution. What are the effects of water pollution? It is affected waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases. The polluted water causes like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea, skin diseases, anemia. These all are affected by water diseases. Some metals also present in water, it is also causes some diseases. Mercury causes minimata, chest pain, stomach pain, headache, etc. Lead causes anemia, vomiting. Arsenic, lungs cancer, cadmium, bone deformation, etc. These are affected by water pollution. How to control water pollution? The control methods: proper drainage system. A good drainage system prevents mixing of polluted water with drinking water. Treatment of industrial effluents. Control over unhygienic practices. Stabilization of ecosystem. Stabilization of ecosystem can be achieved by decreasing pollutants from water bodies. Some plants decreases pollutants from water. Uses of modern techniques. The modern techniques like reverse osmosis, adsorption, ion exchange method, electrolysis process are used to remove pollutants from polluted water. These are control methods of water pollution. Control methods of water pollution. In this topic, we discuss about what is water pollution. In this topic, frequently asked question: what is water pollution? What are the effects of water pollution? What are the control methods of water pollution? Explain about effects and control methods of water pollution. Effects of water pollution. Thank you once again.